But this is the first one that I got for my daughter. This goes up to 60 pounds. I think it's 30 to 60 pounds. She is gonna be 4 years old, the 29th of October this year. She's a little tiny thing, so she weighs around 32 pounds. But it's so cute. I know she would like this. So it has the shoulder straps right here, really thin. And then the shoulder straps are like nice and thick, durable. So I don't have to worry about her, you know, falling off of a floaty or something, because I'm gonna have this on her. And of course, I'm gonna be watching her. But you know, things can happen like that, the blink of an eye. So I have this. This has the 2 straps on the back. So how it'll go on her, it's a chest strap. So it'll help her, you know, keep her afloat. And it does say, intended use, flotation device, 22 to 66 pounds. That's 10 to 30 kilograms. Must be worn with the buckle in the back. And then it has like right arm, left arm. So you have no way of putting it on the wrong way.